I'm Dhananjay. Moved to SF like a week ago on a
Want to give a
yeah, yeah, on a single wave flight. Recently graduated, and yeah, cheers. uh, yeah. So I'm building Axion Orbital. Basically, so previously I was working as a machine learning engineer at India Space Agency. After that, did my grad, built a startup, venture-backed startup before as well. I didn't work out, and now I'm building something like OpenAI, but for the space industry. So yeah, let me show you the demo how. So yeah, currently like people think analyzing satellite data, building complex models to track crop health in real time or objects from space is pretty complex. But I am trying to ease that out and make satellite intelligence accessible to every single human being on the planet. So yeah, let me show that to you how that works. I don't ever deck though. I hate decks. So you can just go to my website, enroll on the waitlist, and I'll work with you to incorporate either in your enterprise workflow or you can just try it out yourself. It's very compute heavy, so I have not released it open source or for everyone as an open beta. So yeah, this is how it looks like. You can just put in any query like suppose you're a hedge fund and you need to get intelligence on how uh, the weather patterns will be in Jakarta in the next couple of months, or like what happened in previous monsoons. So you can see if and so you can position yourself on relative, rainfall or when floods came. What is the probability of floods coming here? How will it affect the overall productivity of the region or GDP of the region? So hedge funds primarily use these kind of data to take position in the market. So currently what happens is they either work via a consultant or a space agency that's pretty, that charges them millions of dollars to gather that intelligence and delivers it. Now you can just put in a simple natural language query like build me a flood risk model for Jakarta, submit a query. It takes a little bit time. We have our own proprietary internal engine that we have built. That's for agentic usage, unlike our current alternatives that are available like ArcGIS, Google Earth Engine. So yeah, this is how it works. Very developer friendly. We are currently backed by Character Capital. I'm a solo founder, solo team member, and currently hiring in SF right now. So yeah, it just gives you the output directly in an exportable format that you can either export to ArcGIS or your other GIS consoles. It tells you what sensors do we use. So we're currently using open source data from the European Space Agency's different types of constellations and NASA's as well. So currently relying on open source data, but we are having conversations to contract with either Planet Labs or Pixel or even PSI Space. They are like leaders in the ULEO orbit of synthetic aperture radar kind of data. So yeah, it even gives you the method like what happened behind the hood because developers need to know what happens and then they can trust what the output comes like. You can even go to the dev mode. So it's like a lovable like interface, but for building space applications and end-to-end geospatial models that you can deploy directly on your code base. So yeah, so either you can edit it yourself or just ask the agent to do it, hit enter, and it does the work for you. So that's pretty much it. Thank you.